Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today let's organize this under the kitchen sink and make it very functional, practical and easy to use. Listen, under our kitchen sink also needs some TLC, tender loving care, guys. And of course, to get that place really organized and looking very nice, practical and functional, I love to go in with drawers or maybe storage containers. As you guys can see, this one right here is drawers, and this makes it so much easier for you to kind of keep stock of whatever it is you have under your kitchen sink. And also I'm sure I'm not the only one that love it when my under kitchen sink look really nice. I know that it's called under kitchen sink for a reason, and because of that you don't need to keep it messy. I know back in the day I used to store my like garbage bags and all these bags under my kitchen sink. Under my kitchen sink was a mess, but it really feels good when you open under there and you can see that it's nice and well organized. And also keeping stock of the products I use in my kitchen, it's very like, it helps me a lot. So that way I'm like, as we are removing products from under the kitchen sink, I'm able to keep tab of the products that we have and the products that are running that are running out. So of course, as you guys saw, I went ahead and added my favorite products, my favorite kitchen products, and then over here I added my cascade, which is used for my dishwasher, and also I added some kitchen towels, and over here I'm adding some wipes. These are kind of my everyday necessities for my kitchen. And of course I have all my sprayway cleaner, the wipes, the sprays, and all those good stuff. So I added them in there, and yep guys, as you guys can see, this is so easy, very simple to do. I mean, you gotta get your under kitchen sink looking like the rest of your home. Definitely this is one of the things I absolutely love. And of course, you guys know that everything I used in today's video is definitely going to be linked in my description box. So if you're working on organizing your under kitchen sink maybe this weekend, definitely check my description box, because I have the drawers, I have the storage, I have the bins. Everything is going to be linked in my description box. But yep guys, as you guys saw, I went ahead and also added my sponge. These are like my iron sponge and also the regular sponge we use in doing the dishes. And yep guys, I really loved how the under kitchen sink looked by the time I was all done. Because if you found value, kindly help me hit that like button below, and also let me know if you guys love videos like this. I know it's very quick, it's very it's not like my long form content, but of course things like this, like short videos like this, it's kind of me helping you guys and keeping you accountable, to make sure that as your home is looking good, you're feeling good, and we're all good. You understand what I'm saying? So you guys, I went ahead and added up everything. And of course, also by the side of my my door, my under kitchen door, I have this paper towel holder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that paper towel in there. And of course, to make sure that I'm able to see whatever is going on under my kitchen sink, I decided to add this light. And also I added a water detector. You guys know how sometimes the pipe under your kitchen sink can act up, so adding the detector helps to kind of keep you in the look for when you're under the kitchen sink is leaking. And of course I went ahead and added some hand soap. And yep you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and till my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye.